You need the following items: a passport or a national ID card with a chip. Check that you have this symbol on your ID document. A driving's license or a foreign passport cannot be used to verify your identity. You also need a mobile phone with a camera and NFC. NFC is a chip reader which is built into most smartphones. You don't need to download or open an app for it to work. If you haven't got what you need, contact your bank so they can help you. Get your passport or national ID card. Select the type of ID you want to use. Ensure even lighting when taking the photo and try to avoid reflections. Swedish passports often have several photo pages. You need to photograph the page with 2 code lines. Keep the photo page inside the frame on your screen. Make sure to include the 2 code lines. Now you have a photo of your ID document. Time for the next step. Remove your mobile phone cover before you start, so that your mobile phone can read the chip in your ID document properly. The passport should be closed with its front cover up. Place your mobile phone over the bottom part of your passport. Click Start Reading. If nothing happens after a few seconds, try moving your phone around and then leave it. The NFC reader is located in different places in different phones. It's important that the reader is placed directly over the chip. You're done.